Hey guys, in this video I will review Retake AI app. Alright, let's begin. Retake AI is an app designed to improve photos and videos using artificial intelligence. The main feature lets you enhance selfies without recording them again. You simply upload a photo or short clip, and the app generates improved versions with better lighting, sharper details, and more natural facial expressions. Another useful feature is AI face correction. It can fix closed eyes, awkward expressions, or slight motion blur. This is especially helpful for group photos where someone blinked or moved at the wrong moment. Pros include fast processing, an easy interface, and realistic improvements. However, many advanced features require a paid subscription. The app usually offers a free version with limited exports, while the premium plan unlocks higher quality results and unlimited retakes. So that's basically all about Retake AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.